G'day guys, Luke here at Honeycombs. Stay tuned, we review all machines. So look, stay tuned, Luke's Machinery Reviews. Have a look, see what we're looking at this week. YouTube and Instagram. Cheers, thank you. Feel free to come and see us. Okay, so this is what it looks like under Field Analyzer once we've loaded all that drone data. So you will see where I've flown a drone over the last, it was about 8 weeks. So each week, by flying the drone over, what I've actually done is taken a series of photos. And what that photo does, it's a fixed height of the drone, it's 75 metres. Put it through a field analyzer, and basically it's sending a reflection back from the photo of my plant health, I suppose you'd say. So where that sort of helps, you can keep track of if you're in certain crops that were, let's say, potatoes or something like that, which you could pick up a disease, a heat source before the disease moves in. You can use your drone and technology to target that area or predict before that crop gets affected, you know what I mean? So the long and the short of it, try not to get too technical with you guys. Basically, this is the paddock. So this was the first flyover on the 2nd of the 8th. So as you can see, every time I was at this shed, drone flew up. So what you can see is good canopy cover along the front here. Obviously that's, believe it or not, that's the irrigator, that line there. So I've actually, we've used it just for comparison, but as you can see, the irrigator, the outer gun has done this. Oh, it's coming around this way.